Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best migraine relief oil on the market, the MigreLief Comfort Stick. If you suffer from migraines or tension headaches, you know how debilitating they can be, and finding effective relief quickly is essential. This roll-on essential oil blend promises fast-acting comfort with a natural, soothing formula that's perfect for those moments when you need it most. The MigreLief Comfort Stick comes in a convenient 10 ml roll-on bottle, making it easy to carry in your purse, pocket, or travel bag. This portability means you can have migraine relief on hand wherever life takes you. The stick contains a unique blend of 100% organic essential oils including peppermint, lavender, spearmint, and rosemary, all suspended in a jojoba oil base. Jojoba oil is known for its skin-friendly properties, absorbing easily without clogging pores, which makes the application both comfortable and effective. One of the standout features of this product is its combination of calming, cooling, and refreshing scents. The peppermint and spearmint provide an invigorating, crisp aroma while lavender and rosemary add sweet, floral notes that promote relaxation and reduce tension. The aroma itself is designed to support neurological comfort and overall feelings of calm, which is critical during a migraine episode. Using the MigreLief Comfort Stick is straightforward. At the first sign of headache or migraine discomfort, simply apply a small amount to your temples and forehead, carefully avoiding the eyes. For additional relief, you can also apply it to the back of your neck or inside your wrists. You can even hold the roller close to your nose and breathe deeply to enhance the aromatherapy effects. This method provides a dual sensory approach: topical application combined with inhalation, which may help ease headache symptoms and reduce stress. What's reassuring is that this product is made with purity and safety in mind. It is USDA certified organic and contains no synthetic chemicals or additives. The dark amber bottle protects the essential oils from light, preserving their potency and effectiveness over time. Plus, it's cruelty-free and made in the USA by a small business committed to quality. In terms of packaging, the metal roll-on ball makes for easy and mess-free application. The compact size is ideal for everyday use, whether at home, work, or on the go, ensuring you always have access to relief when you need it. It's designed not only to soothe migraine pain but also to rejuvenate your senses and refresh your mind and body. While this product is not a medication and does not replace any prescribed treatments, it offers a natural alternative or complement to traditional headache remedies. It's especially appealing for those who prefer organic, aromatherapy-based solutions. The blend of essential oils has been used traditionally to help reduce headache intensity and provide relaxation, making it a great addition to your migraine management routine. In conclusion, the MigreLief Comfort Stick is an effective, natural, and easy-to-use option for those seeking fast migraine and headache relief. Its combination of organic ingredients, portability, and soothing scent profile makes it a top choice in essential oil blends for neurological comfort. If you're looking for a calming, aromatherapy-based product to help ease migraine discomfort, this roll-on stick is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews and recommendations. See you next time.